Hey everyone, this is Mark Middlesworth with ErgoPlus. Your job improvement process should align with a continuous improvement model familiar to your organization with the goal of driving quantifiable MSD risk reduction. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the job improvement process. Before we start with that, it is important to note as a preface that the best time to build a better workplace is when you build it for the first time, right? It's far more expensive to make changes to an existing workplace than it is to design it in the first place with ergonomics and MSD prevention in mind. So whenever purchasing new equipment, designing a new work process, be sure to use proactive ergonomic design guidelines to prevent new MSD risk factors from entering into your facility unnecessarily. With that preface behind us now, let's take a quick look at the job improvement process. You know, the job improvement process should be implemented proactively, number one, not just in response to an injury, and B, should be aligned with a continuous improvement model familiar to your organization with the goal of driving those quantifiable MSD risk reduction. World-class ergonomics is proactive and viewed as a strategic continuous improvement process tied to an established system that makes a positive impact on the entire business. Like many continuous improvement systems, like ISO 45001 and other quality and management systems, they use the observe, plan, do, check, act process to achieve success. And the ErgoPlus job improvement process models this process and takes the same form. Observe, we want to assess risk by conducting job screens and ergonomic risk assessments to quantify risk factors. Plan, we want to identify ergonomic opportunities and then prioritize and plan for improvements. Do, this is where the rubber meets the road, right? We're not doing anything if we don't do something, if we don't make needed improvements. So we need to execute improvements in a timely manner. And then check, as improvements are made in the workplace, we want to measure progress, confirm the degree of risk reduction with post-assessment, ergonomic assessment tools, and then finally act. You know, there's great value in sharing learned information, obviously, to scale successful solutions to problems across your work site and across your entire enterprise. The best way to see the ergonomics management system at work is to sign up for a free trial of the ErgoPlus platform, where we detail this process in greater detail. The Mastering Ergonomics course that you're listening to right now provides some step-by-step direction, and the ErgoPlus platform gives you the tools that you need to get the job done. That's where the infrastructure is, that's where all the tools are, and I would encourage you to check it out. You can try it free of charge for 14 days with no commitment or credit card required. Obviously, we hope that you find great value and stick with us after your trial is over, but you're obviously under no obligation to do so. There's nothing that we want more than to help you build a safer, healthier, and more productive workplace. Think prevention.